Here's a little update of what's been going on. I made a print-on-demand course. I think the first video that I made was just a little bit confusing, so I wanted to make this video so that I can kind of let everyone know what's going on. So here it is. I used Skillshare to launch this course. It was always my plan to use Skillshare to launch this course. The reason why I wanted to do that was because Skillshare offered a 30-day trial period where I knew you could take my course and then do whatever you wanted afterwards. However, I didn't factor in two things. One, people would want to actually stay subscribed so they can continue watching new updates that I bring to the course. And two, not everyone would have time to take the entire course in the period of a month. And I just didn't think of this. And in order to stay subscribed to Skillshare, you'll have to pay, monthly or yearly. And I didn't want such a large paywall between you and my print-on-demand course. So I started rethinking how I should do this because, like I said, I really wanted to create something that was accessible by as many people as possible for a ridiculously low price. I didn't want anyone to empty their bank accounts for this. I don't agree with that. So I made a poll on YouTube, right? I made a poll asking people what I should do. Should I have the course on Skillshare or should I have the course on my website with just a one-time fee for lifetime access, something really low? And I mean, you can see the results here. Vast majority of people said, Shimmy, create the course on your own website. This does make the most sense to me. Having it on my own website means that I have full control, full creative control of the course, of the price, of new content, of everything really. And that's kind of what I wanted. That makes the most sense. This way, I can hopefully make it, a much more personalized experience. One huge benefit of doing it this way was to, be able to offer an affiliate program for my course. Meaning, if you really liked the course and you wanted to create a video review, a blog, or anything really, you wanted to recommend it to someone, you could do that as an affiliate and get 50% of the money that person pays for the course. I absolutely love affiliate marketing. I love different affiliate programs, and it just makes so much sense to offer an affiliate program for my course, my print-on-demand course, because hopefully people like it, and hopefully, this could be another potential income source as well as print-on-demand and actually using what you're learning in the course. Maybe you can make a bit of money as well, letting everyone else know. And it's just, by doing it through an affiliate program, it's like a way of me saying thank you for, liking the course, believing in me, trusting the course, and also recommending the course. Now, I wanted to make this video as soon as possible because I wanted to give you the option. If you do want to stick with Skillshare, then awesome. I mean, I love Skillshare. I use it for so many different courses, but I wanted to let you know if you didn't want to stick with Skillshare, you will still be able to get my course on my own website. Now, saying that, I am going to keep it on Skillshare for all those people who do like Skillshare, do want to use Skillshare, and also want to take advantage of all the other classes on Skillshare. My course will stay there for you, but moving forward, the course that's going to get the most updates, the most attention, is going to be the course on my website. I'm hoping to eventually add, a much more personalized touch to the course, hopefully reviewing people's designs. Well, I'm doing that anyways, but reviewing people's shops, and down the line, reviewing people's marketing campaigns and their social media campaigns, and giving them advice on those aspects of their business. Having it on my website with a one-time fee leads us on to price. What should I charge for this, And again, I didn't want to just make something up and pick a number. I wanted to ask you guys, the people who watch my videos, and see what it is you thought you should pay or what it is you wanted to pay. And believe it or not, a lot of people said they wanted to pay $1,997. So, that's a tough one, isn't it? No, I'm kidding. I think everyone was joking with that. I was joking with that when I put that number in, but the vast majority actually voted $10. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to charge $10 for this course. However, a lot of people did say to me, you should charge more. You should feel that your stuff is more valuable. You shouldn't undervalue your work. And, thank you to everyone who said that. You are right. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have multiple price points. all price points are going to get the same content. It's going to be the same course. So when you go to the website, you'll see you can pay $10, $25, $49. You can choose based on what you think it's worth. If you only want to pay $10 or you can only afford $10, then that's awesome. Thank you so much. If you want to pay $25 or $49, then amazing. Wow. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate it no matter how much you pay. I just wanted to put that out there because so many people were saying to me, you know, charge more, but then I didn't want to charge more because then some people wouldn't be able to get it at all. This way I've offered 3 different price points. Everyone gets the same thing and you can pay what you want to pay. The link down below will take you to this page. You can see what's included. You can choose from the different pricing options. You can see the exact curriculum. You can see a bit more about me and you can see all the main benefits that I like to highlight. I have so many ideas for this course. I want to run tests. I want to create case studies on those tests. I want to speak to other people and get them to create videos for the course in their field of expertise. And I think one of the coolest elements is I want to speak to various different tools, like print on demand tools that you could use. And I want to see if they will offer an exclusive discount to people enrolled in the course. I think that will help everyone out so much. You know, tools that you were going to use anyway, maybe Place It or Pretty Merch or whatever it is, and get you an exclusive discount in the course. I just think that would be so cool. But that does involve me speaking to a lot of different companies and, you know, hopefully they like the idea. I just want to quickly say, by no means is a course the recipe for success, nor is a course vital. The reason why I like taking courses is because I like the step-by-step approach and I like that personalized touch, that personalized feel that you have with the instructor that some courses offer, which is what I want to offer. But again, I'm not trying to say you need this to succeed, because I know you don't. You know, you can find out a lot of the information. It's just, it won't be organized like this. It won't be as step by step. It might not be specific tutorials that you want, and there won't be any of that personalized thing. So if you think all of that is worth $10, $25, $49, then awesome, so be it. If you don't think it's worth that, then fine, you know, keep watching these YouTube videos, and I really wish you the best of luck with your print on demand business, and I will keep making print on demand content on my YouTube channel, as well as a lot of other different types of content. The thing I really wanted to do was make my YouTube a place for more entertaining, fun, educational videos, less step-by-step tutorials, and more like fun videos, you know, giving you advice and help about print on demand or about other businesses. And having the course there allows me to still create those tutorials and those exact step-by-steps and have a place to put them. That's what my thinking was. Anyway, to end this video, because I have full control of the price, what I'm going to do is, for the first 1,000 people who sign up, I'm going to give you a 30% discount. The link is down below. The code is Shimmy1000. So make sure you put that in checkout and you will get 30% off whatever price point you choose. So if you picked $10, it goes to $7. If you pick $25, it becomes $17.50. And if you pick $49, it becomes $34.30. Awesome. Well, either way, I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please, you know, just message me, leave a comment down below. I respond to pretty much all of the comments that come in. And yeah, I guess I made a print on demand course. So cool. Hopefully I'll see you in it. Thanks.